guess what? If you're looking for ways to make money online, like there's like an unending ways to make money online right from home. And one of these ways is almost a ridiculous way, but it really actually works. There are a number of sites which literally just all they do is make a living by paying you to take surveys. That's it. You sign up, you take surveys, you get paid, the site gets paid by whoever is promoting that survey, and I mean, that's it. Like, requires absolutely no skills. You don't need your own website, you don't need anything, you don't need to know how to write, you don't need to even know how to, no skills. You just need to know how to click and choose like yes and no and give some answers, right? So it's super, this is probably the most least skill. If you ever said, I don't know, I don't know how to write, I don't know how to make videos. If you ever said like, I don't know how to do something, I'm not skilled or technical, but I need money, okay, this is it. Okay, so there's no excuse that you cannot make money like today if you want to. If you don't want to, that's cool. So like recently I was looking at this website called iPoll. There's many of these kind of sites, but it's iPoll.com. I'll have a link to it later. But it's basically ipoll.com. All you do is take polls on it. That's it. Take poll, make money. Another poll, more money. You get it, right? And I guess if you could become a good poll taker on their site, you get like a higher level possibly, and you make even more money. But it basically is that simple, right? And I'll have the link to it later, depending on where you're watching this. Click wherever you can find the link. But yeah, no excuse. That one, go ahead. You can make money, not today, this hour. Okay, you can make money this hour if you do one of those websites like iPoll, or there's a million of these things. Some of them ask you to take a poll, some of them like a survey, some of them just want you to download free games. Like, it's even kind of fun. I haven't tried those personally, but if you want to, nothing's easier than doing that thing. Okay, so check it out.